Hello, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable the parking sensors of your Hyundai. So let's start. So specifically, I am right now in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate Hybrid. This is the top of the line, and this one have the features of the parking sensors. So I am going to put the car in reverse, and as you notice, it is activating the sensors here at the screen, and also here too in the aerial camera, as you see. So how I disable that feature, because for some people it's annoying. So I go here, you see this button here with the P, I press it, and automatically the sound and the sensors turn off, so you are able to park the car without the sound. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.